YouTube. This Alexa monster. It's not a how-to. It's my buggy. Yeah, I'm having problems with it. The glow sticks. Fully charged. Yeah, it just won't start. Look, I'll show you. I can put that there. Hopefully you can see. Nope. If you listen to it, it will be like. One sec. Oh, my knees. Oh, it's my knees. Oh, it's my knees. Yeah. So like it'll be like going to start. Well, earlier it was doing it. See? I'm pulling it. It's not flooded. Okay, so now it started, but it quits. Yeah, it quits when I break. I know there's a video on YouTube by alishanmo. If it's happening to you as well, go onto YouTube. I can't really understand it, but you might be able to. Go on YouTube, type in alishanmo. Yeah, I've searched his channel. He does buggies, chuggies. He does everything. Electric, nitro, petrol. He's got a couple 1/5 petrol buggies, but I can't. Yeah, or type in what engine quits when I brake, and he'll show you. But I don't really understand it, so look. Start again. Brake. Hopefully you can see that. And I'll do it again. Brake. Yeah. So I think. Look. He said something about the carb. But I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching. Comment down below if you've got any ideas. I don't know if you can see that hole, but I can't really see it. Does that close? Try it again. One sec. Just a tiny bit. I'm not going to mess around with it. Thanks for watching anyway. See you later.